Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back out on Lake Austin again doing some fall fishing. I'm out here on a Monday afternoon. The weather is definitely cooling down, so hopefully the boat traffic isn't too bad. Um, I'm sure a lot of you guys know, like kayak fishing Lake Austin during the warmer months can be pretty hectic with all the wake boats. So fingers crossed, I don't see a ton of people out here today. See like one boat, maybe another one. So hopefully I'll get to kind of fish around and not have to worry about a bunch of wake. But anyway, I'm excited to fish it, man. I've caught some good ones at this spot kind of back before I started filming and putting it on YouTube. So hopefully I can replicate that and do it again. But as always, man, let's run through what I'm working with, just kind of what I'm thinking. I got my hands on one of these Berkeley chop blocks, these soft glide bait, 6 inches, got the crappie. I'm gonna whip out this stealth blade chatterbait. As always, you know, got a weightless Senko. Got the mag draft, got the working class zero death wish, and then I also got the working class zero micro citizen on this underspin. So yeah, man, that's just kind of what I'm working with. And you know, as you can see by my bait, I'm hoping the bass are going to start moving, getting more active now that it's cooling down. So got a lot of swim baits on there. Anyway though, man, I think that's about it. Let's just get out on the water, so stay tuned and let's go get after them. Little guy. Is that a catfish? Oh no, he's just a little, just colored kind of funky. I don't know why I thought he was a catfish. He was just pulling kind of strange. Had a really light color. He's not super dark green. It's kind of almost like silver. All right, little Lake Austin bass. Go, bud. Ooh. Another one on the weightless Senko. A little better, definitely a better one. It's got a little fight on him, a little bit of size. Nothing too crazy though. Sorry, I just keep horsing fish off the hook, so I'm trying to show a little bit more finesse lately and not just horse them in and lose them. One's a little better, looking up. Just another one on the weightless Senko, just casting it at the bank. Another little bass. Man, he ate that thing like a topwater. I don't know if y'all saw that, but came up on the surface and snagged it. It's another little guy on the wacky worm. Dude hasn't eaten. No wonder he was so hungry, man. He's got no belly on him. Ah, dang it. Got me good there. Hey guys, only about 3% of you watching are subscribed. If you're liking the video, smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and keeps me rolling. Decent one. I'm just gonna net him. Yeah, fat guy. Let's go, baby. That was a good blow up too, man. It's funny because I saw like a bunch of shad schooling. You guys probably can't see it on camera, but you can see the bubbles on the surface. Threw the spook right on top of that, and they got slammed. So there must have been a bass under that school of shad waiting for some action. I'm just wanting to give my thoughts and some intel on that. Whew, that was one of the better blow-ups I've had in a minute, man. I've been needing that in my life. Yes sir, dude. That's a pretty Lake Austin bass right there. Not huge, but you know, fat guy, man. Choked that spook. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate you. I needed that. Damn, I just didn't see him. I didn't really feel like he took it. Like, I didn't feel any tension. Seems like he kind of just missed it and brought it down. Ooh, good one, man. Hell yeah, let's go. Another good chunky one, man. Woo! It's a beast. Whew. Let's go, dude. Beautiful fish, dude. Right at the bridge, right under the bridge. Let's let this pretty girl go, man. Thank you, bud. Thank you. Sir. Another good one. This one seems big, man. Yeah, this one's bigger for sure. Dude, let's go, dude. Dude, that's a good fish, bro. Damn, that thing is fat. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, man. Fat bass, dude. Let's go. This one's right at the bridge also, dude. Awesome. Well, that was pretty, those last couple catches were a good treat, man. That was pretty fun. You know, it's getting pretty dark here. I'm at the 360 bridge, and yeah, that was cool, man. I hope y'all enjoyed watching that. But it's getting pretty dark, man. I think I'm gonna call it. So yeah, man, if you guys have any comments or anything about Lake Austin fishing, or how it's fishing for you guys, definitely drop a comment. It also kind of helps the video get more views and helps me out, so it's much appreciated. But yeah, anyway, man, I guess that's it for today, and until next time, see ya.